In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money abroad using Revolut. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, for us to be able to get started right here, you need to download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. Of course, while signing up, you'll need to provide some personal information and verify your identity. Now, once you have created your account, log in using your credentials, and this is where we transfer funds from our bank account to Revolut. Alright, so basically, first step is you need to choose your currency and destination country and add your beneficiary details and click send whenever you are ready. So here are some of the routes that Revolut covers: Europe, Americas, Asia Pacific, Africa. There's a lot of countries here that they support. All right, so of course, there are limits of money transfers from the United States, but again, Revolut claims there are no limits to the transfer amount because certain currencies might have limits set by your payment partners. Okay, and of course it is safe to send money with Revolut because it's a banking services provided by the Metropolitan Commercial Bank, right? And here, simply, as I've mentioned earlier, download the app, add money to your Revolut account by tapping up via your card or bank account, choose your destination country and currency. Of course, you need to enter your recipient's details. You usually need the recipient's full name and their bank account number and bank code. Some payment methods and destination countries may require additional information. Now, how long does it take to send money? Different payment methods affect your transfer delivery time. So payments to other Revolut customers and card payments arrive in minutes, but sometimes it takes up few minutes to 30, and international transfers can take up to 3 to 5 business days to reach the recipient's account. That's the what we call the clearance, right? Banking clearance. And check out the pricing widget for more details of your transfer. And also, you can use the currency conversion calculator at the top of the page to see which transfers destinations that Revolut support, right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.